Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my videos, and today I'm going to take you through how you can create your PayPal account and get it verified. Yes, you are going to get it verified. We all know that mostly online payments must be done with paper. Sometimes the most are sometimes paper, and if you are not verified on paper, this means that we are limited in getting access to earn money online. All what I do on my channel here is to make money online, and these are some of the countries they have not been approved by paper or cannot create paper account and get it verified. But today I'm going to teach you a very simple way you can do this. Okay, I'm going to teach you very simple, and Ghana is part of this country, but I'm going to teach you a simple way you can get it verified, and then you can use it for all your online verifications and processes. Okay, so if you're trying to make money online, just subscribe to my channel here, like it, and give me your comments at the comment section. And also, if you've already done that, thank you. Please check under my description, there is a link to my Telegram group. Join it, and also my WhatsApp as well. Let's make money online. All what I do here is to make money online. So let's tap into this tutorials of the day, and then let's know how we can get our PayPal account verified. So open your browser, any browser you got. I got my Safari here. Just open your browser, then type in PayPal. So PayPal here, so you can use the first link, or yes, you can use the first link here. All right, so this is PayPal. Okay, so you can see login, sign up here. Android users, iPhone users, laptop, each and everyone can use this, and it's very simple. So just scroll down to your app, so you can see the United States. You can see the United States flag there, so you're going to change that one. Tap on that. Okay, so as soon as you tap on it, you're going to see countries here. African countries which are available or which are accessible to PayPal are as follows. So you can see them here, but Ghana is not part of these countries here. So let's scroll down, come to Asia. So you come and choose this United Arab Emirates, that's UAE. Tap on that one. As soon as you tap on it, this is how it's going to open for you. So you can see login, you can see some menu here. All right, so what do we have to do? You can see sign up for free. No, don't use the sign up for free instead. All right, so create or click on open a business account or own a business. So click on that, and of course it is trying to open for you. All right, good. So this is how you're going to get it verified on paper. All right, yes, so this is paper. So you provide the following details here. So you provide your legal name. So you say fast me. Yes, so that's my legal name. I can prefer to use Hismis as my email, hismis13@gmail.com. Yes, so you provide a very strong password which you can get access to. So your password must include a capital, a symbol at least, and also some numbers. Okay, some numbers. Okay, good. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm in, and then let me agree with them, and then let me tap on that to continue. So it's loading, so you can see I have to save it, so I just skip it and say not now. So you can see that since we tap on for business, say hey fast, ready to use paper, then activate your account by completing the profile, confirm your email. You may need to do that, and so start activating your account. Press on that. You have to start activating your account. So before you do that, a message has been sent to your email, so go there and verify it on paper. All right, so you say individual, whichever describe the individual or business. I prefer to use the individual. Okay, yes, so use the individual, and you provide your name, and of course you can use the other name you use. So you can say fast me, pre-type, provide individual, you provide your date of birth here. So 050620, let's say 1998. Good. So you have already set your nationality, so just come here and provide. Since you chose UAE, this is how it's going to appear. As soon as you tap on this code here, you're not going to find Ghana or your country's number here because it's not available on paper. So what you have to do is just tap in any number here, provided it gets provide, just tap in any number. All right, so your post address, I prefer to use Sunyani Bono region. Okay, additional. Okay, so let me teach you this here. So anything something like this, yes, when there is a red indication like this, it means that it's compulsory for you to fill it. Okay, so I can use Sunyani Bono region here. So you can see the blue ones are not compulsory, so I can prefer to leave them. So you can see I can prefer to use this. And then so Emirates, that means I'm going to use Dubai, right? Good. So click on continue. So the number has been already used, so you can change it and change it. If this is the same platform you're facing, just keep on changing your numbers. And then yes, just keep on changing your numbers. That's what I can tell you. Okay, so I mean I have the same platform with my number. So let's say okay, let me check it out here. Yeah, so I'm in, and then let's continue to fill the others. So you say, what's your business registration number? So it's blue, that means it's not all that necessary. I prefer to use the US dollar, it's okay. So what product do you want to sell here? So let's say I want to make a digital goods games. All right, so do you have a website? Of course, I'm not using it for business, it's individual or it's personally mine, so I'll say no. All right, so provide your post office, and of course you can use the previous ones. So Sunyani Bono region here. Additional is not necessary, so I can decide to select it to buy again, then continue with that. Yes, so you're getting our paper verified. Okay guys, so let's do this. Okay, so you say complete the customer identification, avoid paper account. So just come here, and then of course here you are going to select Ghana here. You can choose to select Ghana here, and then click on submit. Yes, so you are trying to create a paper account. So you say congrats, you are all set. You've sent you confirmation link to verify that the email you used to do that is verified. Okay, so let's get our email verified. All right, let's get our email verified. So let's do this. So come to your home page. Yes, so this is our home page. So just make sure you get your profile and your email verified. So you can see my profile is verified. Please try to confirm your email there, so you can, if you have not received, you can ask of the link again. All right, so you can see link a bank or other things there, so you can see we are in. All right, so scroll down here and see how we can make this secure. So please, this part is very important. It's very important, so let's take note of this place. So we want to confirm that the information in your paper is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activity in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. All right, so just press on see details. Yes, so see details here. Yes, so this is all what they need you to do. So we will start our review after you have completed all the below tasks. So they want you to insert your document here. All right, so, and of course, type of it, I prefer you using the national identity card, that's the Ghana card. So tap on that and then add a file. That means that you are going to scan, or you're going to take a picture of your Ghana card, then you insert it here. So as soon as you tap on add a file, they will tell you to either your gallery, or you take a picture of it, or you choose it from your file. So as soon as you insert it here, it's going to take you 24 to 48 hours. Then you're going to get verified on paper. They will send you a message that you've been verified. Providing your details here is going to make you verify, so please do well to provide your Ghana card here so that you can get it verified. So this is how you can create your PayPal account and then get it what verified. Okay, you can get it verified. So let me go back to my page. So let me come home. So you can see still it's active here, so try to provide your details there and get it verified, and also confirm your email to us here so I can get it verified. So there's a link sent to your email. So it's Fast Tech everywhere. Just subscribe to my channel, like it, and give me a comment at the comment section. Don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all my videos I will posting here. Mostly people get verified and later they'll get blocked. So if you have something like that, just write that under my comment section, and then we shall talk more on my next video. See you and thank you. Bye bye.